Hello everybody, and today I will be telling you how to install CKAN for KSP 1.10 and all the versions actually. So what is CKAN? CKAN is an automatic mod installer and mod pack installer for your KSP game, well for Kerbal Space Program. Uh, Runs on most operating systems, Linux, Mac. So the latest release is called Dyson. The first thing, first thing we're going to do is we're going to download it. So ckan.exe. I've already tested this. Just drag this onto the desktop. We'll double click it. Windows will complain about it, like it complains about everything. Click more info. Run anyways. And there you go. Now you probably won't have these if you the ones underneath auto, and if you don't have auto, that means you don't have it installed on Steam, or something went wrong, because normally it detects if you have it on Steam. So if you didn't have it on Steam, I'm going to teach you how to install it onto any of them. So we're going to click new KSP instance. We're going to click add an instance to CKAN. We're then going to go over to wherever you keep your KSP stuff. I have a folder, KSP stuff, instances, and you're going to add visual pack. Alright, you want to find the build ID. Just click on it, click open. It will then add it. Click select. Just click yes, click yes. Basically just allows it to download mods. It will check for manually installed mods. We're gonna, yep, finds all the installed mods. It auto updates if the mod has an update. So you may not be able to install mods under what your version type is, or above what your version type is. So like if I was in, let's say 1.8.1 and I wanted to install Realism Overhaul, I wouldn't be able to do that. But if you click settings, go down to compatible KSP versions, click all from whatever your version is. So this is 1.10 all the way down to 1.3 or 1.2, you should be okay. You'll get pretty much all of the mods there is to offer. Well, CKAN has it to offer. So 2,000 mods, and I have I have 1,500. So that's just how you install CKAN. It's one of the best mod installing programs that I've ever used. Basically, if you want to install something, click. First we'll do this. Okay, we'll install near future. So go down to the search bar, type in near future. Once you have all of your compatible KSP versions selected, we're going to go launch vehicles, just because. Going to click the little check mark. We're going to click apply changes. We're going to click apply. It will pop up with some recommendations. So yeah, we'll install community tech tree. Suggestions, basically mods that these are mods that I highly suggest they use. This is mods that they're just like meh, they work with them. Well, no, these are mods that they have pretty good support and they suggest you use them, and these are just mods that they work with. So it also shows relationships, so what it supports and what it conflicts with. And first it downloads it. and then it installs it. The bigger the mod, the longer it takes to install. And something great about CKAN is once you've downloaded this mod, you don't have to download it ever again. It's saved to a cache, so you just copy it. So CKAN just copies it. There is ways to clear the cache, and I think you can disable the cache if you're worried about storage. So that's basically CKAN for you. Installing whatever the heck you want on your KSP. Alright, see ya.